Welcome back to Stiletto Renos. Today we're here in one of my basements and we're going to be repairing the stonework. As you can see, this is a 100-year-old foundation at least, and all of this mortar in between the stones has just turned to dust, literally dust. So we're going to clean that up, vacuum out as much of the material as possible, and then we're going to mix up some mortar and replace it. The next step is to put the mortar into the grout bag. You can get these grout bags at any hardware store. So we want to fold it over a little bit here, and then we're going to do this over the pail just because some is gonna fall out. So this is perfect consistency. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to grab it like this and give it a twist, and you don't want to put any pressure here. You don't want to squeeze from here. You always want to squeeze with this hand. Okay. So then we're just literally squishing it into the crevices, and that's it. After it sets up a little bit, then you want to take just a regular nylon brush and brush it, and then it'll just clean it up a little bit, and then that's it.